Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Jumper King. Start by understanding the core controls. Use the left and right arrow keys to move your character horizontally. The spacebar initiates one jump, and holding it longer increases jump power. Mastering these basic movements is crucial for navigating the challenging environments. Practice short, controlled hops and full power leaps to get a feel for the physics. Once you've got the basics down, it's time for advanced techniques. Experiment with subtle directional inputs mid-air to adjust your trajectory. Use momentum from a run-up to clear wider gaps. Sometimes, a quick, small jump can save you from falling after a slight miscalculation. Precision is key, so practice these nuanced movements often. Jumper King presents many obstacles. Look out for slippery surfaces, narrow ledges, and moving platforms. Plan your jumps carefully, considering the distance and required power. Some platforms disappear after a few seconds, so quick reactions are essential. Always be prepared for unexpected challenges, like gusts of wind or falling debris, which can alter your path. Jumper King is known for its difficulty, so persistence is vital. You will fall many times, but each fall teaches you something new about the level. Don't get discouraged. Instead, take a short break if frustration builds. Come back with a fresh perspective. Remember to celebrate every successful jump and every new platform reached.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.